President also announced that should the FDA issue an emergency use authorization of the Pfizer vaccine for individuals ages 12 to 15, we already have in place the operational public education plan to immediately hit the ground running. Over 15,000 local pharmacies will be ready to vaccinate 12 to 15-year-olds, and we are working to get more pediatricians and family doctors to offer vaccinations in their offices to make it as easy and convenient for adolescents to get vaccinated. And we're enlisting every American, every organization, every healthcare professional, every business and employer to help Americans get the facts they need and to encourage vaccination. Businesses across the country have stepped up and answered the president's call to offer paid time off for their employees to get vaccinated. Sports leagues are also joining the vaccination effort. In Indiana, IndyCar has worked with the state to transform the Indianapolis Motor Speedway into a vaccination site that gives vaccine getters the unique experience of getting vaccinated in an actual F1 garage and the chance to drive through the main race tunnels. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
In communities across the country, Americans are going above and beyond to encourage vaccinations and get people vaccinated. Like in Alaska, where workers are delivering vaccine to deep-sea fishermen using a contraption called a man basket, a bucket suspended in the air that swings from one ship to a neighboring vessel, vaccinating more than 100 people on each ship. That's what I call meeting people where they are.
Now that's what I call meeting people where they are.
We're also in a new phase of our work on the global front. As the president has said, the pandemic knows no borders. And he has committed that the United States will become an arsenal of vaccines for other countries. We're taking steps to execute on this strategy. First, on Wednesday, because of the extraordinary circumstances of the pandemic, call for extraordinary measures, U.S. Trade Representative Ambassador Tai announced our support for the waiver of intellectual property protections for COVID-19 vaccines. Second, driven by the aggressive actions we've taken together to accelerate vaccine manufacturing and production lines in the U.S., both Pfizer and Moderna have executed well and have now increased their capacity to produce vaccine for countries around the world. Third, we have committed to sharing vaccines with other countries, including approximately 60 million doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine by the end of June. These steps build on the actions we took in our first 100 days to support global pandemic response and vaccination efforts, including rejoining the World Health Organization, providing the most funding to COVAX of any country in the world,